I soaked my beans overnight. This was 2 pack of beans and it have swollen in the water. If you want, you can use the beans in the can, but I prefer to use the natural beans because I want to make sure that I'm boiling it myself. And if the beans is in the can, I don't like the juice that is over it. So if you want, just get your beans, soak it overnight, and like this, it will be easy to cook. Now that it's soaked, I'm going to transfer it to my pot and then start to boil it. I'm not home and I have only one big pot, so I'm going to use this big pot to boil both all my meat and also my beans because we have to do what we have to do and manage with what we have. I got my meat. I'm also adding in my next batch of meat. My next meat is my smoked turkey. This just give your beans a good flavor. I love to put smoked turkey in my soup and also in food like this. It just helps season up the food. I'm now going in with all my seasoning. First is my complete season. I use this season on everything. And then my Italian season. You can use like a teaspoon of it. And then I'm also going in with Creole seasoning. This is great on everything. So going in with another all-purpose seasoning. Again, you can use any season that you like. And then I'm going in with some paprika. Give for your season a good stir. And then we're going to cover this up and let it boil until all of our meat is cooked and until our beans is extremely soft. Beans have been boiling for about 15 minutes now. I'm now going in with our chicken. The chicken is not hard to cook, so I love to go in with it last. And this is our chicken. I'm just going to transfer it to the pot. I'm going to let this boil for about 15 minutes. And after, we'll come and take the chicken out. Our chicken is cooked, so I'm now just going to take all the meat out because the meat is ready. And then I'm going to clean this pot because it's only one pot I have. And then we'll start to move to the next step. So far, this is how it's looking. I also don't want to use too much of the water because we'll need the water. But this is how it's looking. It's time for us to start frying our stuff. I'm putting my oil in. I got my sliced onion and sliced garlic. I'm gonna put in a couple of scoops of tomato paste. I'm just going to add the rest of it in because it's not much. I'm going in with 3 cubes. Oh, this is hard to break. And with my sliced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna go in with more season, complete season, Creole season, Italian season, Give everything a good stir. Can now put in our beans to also fry. I'm gonna let this to fry down for 10 minutes, and then afterwards we'll go in and add in all of our chicken and the rest of the beans. Okay, now let's go and add in our beans and our meat. Stir everything up. We are almost done. I love my beans to have some water in it, so I'm going to add in a little bit more water, and then we'll put our chicken in. I'll just let it to slowly cook. Yes, now it's a bit runny, so the chicken can be able to stir in it properly. Afterwards, we'll just let this to slowly cook, and dinner is almost ready. Let's add in our chicken. Let's give it a stir. Now you can taste it. If you need more seasoning, you can put in more seasoning. But I'm gonna chop up some pepper in it, because this one I want it to be a bit spicy, and the other part there, that's for Aurora, because she don't like spicy. We got our sliced pepper. Just gonna let this to cook.